Hey teacher friends, day one here at ISTE was jam-packed. Let's break it down. Sessions were on fire! From gamification through the future trends of education. Ready for a sneak peek? ISTE day one, coming right at you.
Hi, I'm Tim Needles, and I had a session today on my book Steam Power and Gaming Up Your Steam. So the takeaways were from the pandemic, it was really difficult to connect with students. So I was looking at ways that we can engage using digital tools. We talked about Kami and its new game additions, which is really powerful, and how you could actually create your own games with students and let students create their own games using the PDFs. And then we also talked about all the different ways to kind of use technology in creative, interesting and innovative ways. So it was really fun. It was a lot of different innovative takes on using some of the technology. And I'm really looking forward to seeing some of the ways people use some of the resources. So there is a resource addition that I'm going to share as well. And I hope everyone enjoys their not at ISTE moment.
Hi, my name is Bill Bass. I am an innovation coordinator in the Parkway School District in St. Louis, Missouri. And today I did a session, I actually just finished it. It is on what we don't know in education and really looking at trends. And so what we did in our session was we tried to give our audience and people that were in our virtual audience ideas and some thinking around what happens now, where do we go next, and what are the things that we don't know. So there's lots of things that came out of that. One of the things that we don't know is how we're going to respond to this teacher crisis, where we don't have enough teachers in our buildings and what that's going to look like in the future. We also don't know enough about digital content and how we're going to manage that in our schools just over time, and how we keep kids safe when using digital content and really having that out in the world. And then I think the third, probably the biggest thing, is our librarians, the role of the librarian is changing. And so we are really trying to help people kind of figure out what does that look like, and how do we go forward from here, knowing that we have this digital content. We're going to have a shortage of teachers, but we still need to collaborate and we still need to think about our kids and give them opportunities that we really want to have. So you can find me on Twitter, probably is best. I'm just at Bill Bass. Thanks so much.
Day two promises just as much amazingness, y'all. So just be sure to follow us on Instagram and on Twitter at KamiApp. We will be hosting live sessions and updates all throughout the day. Until then, I'm Oliver, and that's a wrap on ISTE Day One with Kami.